If you're a local business or doing lead generation, then this video is guaranteed to generate you more leads and turn more clicks into more customers. I'm Oliver Kenyon. This is episode number 61 of CRO Insights, and let's jump straight into the optimization. So as you can see, this page was brought to us by our client. My team then redesigned their page to get them cheaper leads and effectively just turn more clicks into leads. And this is exactly how we did it. I'm going to show you everything. So point number one, we reduced that nav bar. They had this very large nav bar before. It pushed things dramatically below the fold. So instead we reduced it and we added what's called a trust policy bar. This is basically a little bar that you can put all of your things that make you trusted and credible as a company. For example, the value for money, the guarantees that you offer, the fact that you're based locally is a really trusted statement. Put them in that bar and it's going to help you convert more. Point number two, it's really important on service-based businesses to visually show the outcome. Make that the main part of your image. People don't want to see the software, the equipment that you use. People aren't bothered about the features. They're really bothered about that shiny object, how much better their house, their car, their lawn, whatever it is you're selling is going to look as a result of working with your company. Point number three is we've added this all-important trust seal. This just tells customers that we're trusted. We're on a reputable website that recommends us, and we can use that visually with a seal. Number four, we've added the all-important social proof. Social proof is crucial in any local business or lead gen company. Put it on your page. It's the form of 5 stars. You say how many customers you've served, and you make sure you mention that they're very happy customers as well. Number 5 is we've taken that boring, uninformative headline and flipped it to be a very, very emotive headline. We've made the fonts bigger. We've again called out the fact that we're local in Toronto, and we've told people that we're the most trusted garage door experts. Box ticked. Number 6, we've used benefit-driven bullet points. You can see in the designs before where people go very, very wrong is they feel like they have to write loads of text telling every single feature, every single shiny object about your service. And ultimately, this text doesn't lead to getting leads. It doesn't get read. You need to make your text super scannable. Take that text and instead throw out 3 benefit-driven bullet points. Use clear tick marks to establish the bullet points, bold some of the key phrases, and most importantly, make sure it's all about the benefit and the outcome of your service. Number 7, before you can't see any call to actions. Look over that page above the fold. There is no way of getting in touch beyond the number at the top. Now, there's a clear, informative, actionable call to action. It's full width, it's a different color that stands out, and it says, get a quote today with a directional cue. It's very informative. It tells the person how easily they can then get in touch with the company to get that quote. And number 8, social proof again. A testimonial goes so far when it comes to a local service or lead gen, because people want to hear about other people's experiences with this company to therefore trust in them. So we've used this testimonial, we've used a real picture of a real person, first and last name, made sure that we said they're a verified customer, and we're just again ticking that social proof box. Hopefully this has helped. If you want more video breakdowns like this, head on over to our YouTube channel and hit subscribe. And if you want my company ConversionWise to design you a higher converting landing page, you can get in touch at conversionwise.com, and I'll see you on the next video.